Surviving Banking Crises: Lessons from History. Written by Logan Tremblay. Narrated by Logan Tremblay. Introduction: The ripple effect of a crisis. Picture this. It's 2008 and the world's financial systems are teetering on the edge of collapse. The collapse of Lehman Brothers, one of the world's largest investment banks, triggers a global panic that spreads like wildfire. Stock markets plummet, businesses shutter, millions lose their jobs, and the everyday person struggles to understand how their life was suddenly so impacted by the downfall of something they barely understood: banking. This wasn't just a financial crisis. It was a human crisis. From the streets of New York to the markets in Tokyo, people felt the tremors. It was a stark reminder of how interconnected the global economy had become, and how the failure of a single institution could send shockwaves around the world. This book is about understanding those shockwaves. It's about learning from history, and understanding how we can protect ourselves, our businesses, and our nations from the deep scars left by banking crises. Banking crises have been a constant throughout history, but their impact is often underestimated, until they happen. We think of banks as stable institutions, pillars of our financial lives. We trust them with our savings, our investments, and even our dreams. But what happens when that trust is broken? What happens when these institutions, which form the backbone of economies, fail? And more importantly, what can we learn from those failures? The answer to that question lies in understanding the history of banking crises. They are not isolated events. They are part of a larger story that stretches across decades, from the banks of ancient civilizations to the global financial institutions of today. Each crisis offers a valuable lesson, a warning sign, and a chance to build something stronger. Why understanding banking crises is crucial for today. If the events of 2008 taught us anything, it's that financial systems can be fragile. No country, no matter how powerful, is immune from the impacts of a banking crisis. In fact, the lessons from past crises have never been more urgent. As global economies become more interconnected, the stakes are higher and the risks more complicated. With the rise of digital currencies, neobanks, and decentralized finance, traditional banking systems are evolving faster than ever before. But the question remains: can we prevent the next financial disaster? The answer depends on how well we learn from the past. For many, the story of the 2008 financial collapse is still fresh. But fewer understand the
Sample complete. Ready to continue?